Hi again. In this second video I'm going to present you the dashboard. This is your control center, to say so. This is the place from where you control most of the things, and basically from where you apply any infraction to any of your employee based on any year from the range and any of the months. So simply what you have to do is just to select an year, for example 2026. You select the month of February, for example, and the calendar updates automatically, and you have to just record any infractions against any of your employees. That is all you have to do here. What the system offer you uh, for all this hard work, to say so, it giving you a breakdown of all the points assigned for all the employee for the current month with this barcode bar chart. It's giving you a top 5 departments by penalties for the current month, for the month selected and the year selected. It's giving you the top 5 employees based on the points allocated, and it also giving you, this is all time disciplinary actions by the number of employees. So here what that means, here you have the list of all the employees, you have the rollover interval, this is stays always active, you have all the points that every employee has accumulated for this rolling interval, for the current rolling interval. So we are now in 2025 and the current rolling interval is February 01 2025 and January 31 2026, because this is how we set up the fiscal year here in the settings tab. And this is telling us which employees has current actions applied, what action, what disciplinary action, and the start date of this disciplinary action. These are always active, and you will see always these informations for the employees, whatever the selected month and the selected year would be. So we'll always have this piece of information in front of you, no matter what month you are rolling over. Okay. So basically this is everything you have to do here. This is all the quick walkthrough for the dashboard, and this is everything you have to do. You just have to select the year, select the month, and apply infractions based on this drop down in here. The calendar is fully automatically updated. The Saturdays and Sundays are highlighted. If you have, as you see here, if you have a holiday recorded in the settings tab, the holiday, it will be highlighted in here. Also, this is just for visuals and helping you to see when is the holiday, or when it is Sunday or Friday. Also, the Sundays, the weekends are defined in here. If you want to use the weekends as Saturday and Sunday, you just define here. You define if you want to highlight the Saturdays and Sundays in the and the holidays in the calendar. You select here as yes if you want to highlight these in your calendar. If you want to use Fridays and Saturdays as holidays, just change here. If I want to use Friday and Saturdays as my weekends, just select here, change it, and as you see the calendar has updated, and now Sunday is my starting work day, to say so. Well, that is all. In the right side, after you allocate these infractions, it will give you a quick overview for how many points for the current month this employee has accumulated based on any infraction. So you allocate infractions, different infractions through the month, and on the right side you have a quick resume of all the points accumulated for every specific infraction. So for example, if I allocate another infraction here, what is this infraction? Let me see. Unapproved unpaid time off. So we have now 1 point. If I allocate another one, unapproved, we have now 2 points. The system accumulated Then for this rolling interval, because we are within the rolling interval, and meaning we are in February, which is in this interval. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video.